Load your family into the 2005 Infiniti FX35. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of an Infiniti are offered, including power trunk closing assist, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power front seats, automatic temperature control, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.